6 months ago, 3 enormous earthquakes devastated this region of Western Afghanistan. Already highly vulnerable and remote, communities that had very little lost everything, including 110 schools that were damaged or destroyed. The children you see here today not only lost that access to education, they were deeply, deeply traumatized. World Vision worked to set up child-friendly spaces, focusing on mental health, providing a safe and secure environment to learn and engage. The staff tell me that when the children first came here, they were silent. They were unable to even say their names. But through love, care, and focus on mental health, they're now engaged and excited to be part of this journey and can't wait to restart school very soon. Who is going to school here? With your help, we can continue to bring a brighter and better future to these children of Herat. Thank you.